Is it another tie?
Can't even believe it.
Donk. Oh, that was nice.
You can go. Mommy, turn it the other way, but when I tap him, he can go.
You did.
Turn him the other way.
Should I turn him around?
Yeah. It's fun walking with Zoe.
It is fun walking with Owen.
We both won.
You both won. It's a tie.
We're tied, Owen. Hi, Owen, try. I'll beat the horse for you. You can match me if you like to drive me.
Oh, he's pushing you back, isn't he? Strong baby. Hi, you guys. Good teamwork. Whoa. Uh-oh. Bonk.
That was fun, Noe.
It was fun.
Can we go the other way, please?
All right, let's turn it around.
Come on.
Okay.
I'm in.
Did you win? You were faster?
Yes.
That was nice. Here he comes. Whoa.
No. That was good.
Should we turn him around?
No, before I get close. Go, Owen, go. Go, Owen, go.
Ooh,
Yeah, I helped him.
thank you. Let's turn him around. Oh. Good running. Good running. Don't stop. Okay, sweetie. Thanks a lot. Good crawling, you guys. All right, should we turn it around? Mia, say no, 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 no.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Good singing. Look, he's dancing. Do you want to sing it again?
Twinkle, twinkle, little sun. Twinkle, twinkle, little sun.
That's silly.
That's silly. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. No.
Oh.
Rub it on your neck.
Oh, thank you.